Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, the place for creators to monetize their passion and create a freedom lifestyle with the business you love. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe as I put out a new video every single Monday. I am Shana L. Jackson, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to use video marketing in business exposure. So let's get to it. When you're growing your brand, your business, the most important thing is exposure. You want people to see you. You have to get your products out there, your business, your brand, for people to know who you are and to go ahead and get those sales rolling in and just to get your products informed, right? So I wanted to talk about how to use video marketing to gain that exposure, because exposure is like the number one thing a part with being a business and a brand. On the side of being, the other two that I like to talk about is sales and leads. So those are my main pillars, as I like to call them, when you're trying to grow a business or expand your business, is exposure, sales, and leads. So definitely I would say exposure is the number one, because if people don't know who you are, if your business is not exposed, how can they purchase from you? How can they know more about what you do? So I wanted to give you guys some insight on how video marketing can help you in that exposure effort, so that you can go ahead and take it and apply it to your business so you can get out there in your video marketing platforms. And I specifically want to talk about 3 platforms that will allow your video marketing efforts to increase throughout this year so that you can gain that momentum and that exposure for your business and your brand. So the first platform that I want to talk to you guys about for business exposure is YouTube. Yes, YouTube. So I'm pretty sure you're familiar with YouTube. It's been around a while, but it's definitely like one of those platforms that's an oldie but a goodie. Because I would definitely recommend YouTube, not just because I'm new on this platform, but I feel like YouTube is where you can really be yourself and you can really showcase whatever it is you have to offer. It's not anything. It's not a bad idea, right? Because if you follow YouTube, you see all of these entertainers, you see all kinds of content across the platform, and people are really taking off. People are taking off in their little desired niche, in their small categories, whatever it may be. You know, that's why I always say, do what you love and your passion, because it's not, you can't go wrong there, and there's so many ways that you can monetize off that. So by using YouTube, you can show your products, you can show your services, you can do it behind the scenes. And the great thing about YouTube, you can do vlogs, a day in the life. You know, it's just so many aspects of YouTube where you can get creative and really just show your brand, your products, your offers, your business. Is just an all-in-one platform where you can just really get an all-around 360 of what you're currently going through and what you're doing within your business. So I really feel like if you do want to start off with YouTube, just start. And definitely if you have like a service, you can get on there and talk like how I'm doing here. You can talk about your service and X, Y, Z, what it would do for your clients, how they would get the transformation that they need. It just would be a great idea for you in services. If you have products, you can actually show people the materials and hold up the behind the scenes. You can show them how you have all your packages behind you and how you're shipping them out. You can do like what it tastes. If you're making your product, you can show like what it tastes, the ingredients that you use. It's just so many different ways that you can get creative and really just show people. You know, a lot of people, they just, you know, I always say they tell you the what, but they don't tell you the how. And I really feel like if you do YouTube and showcase all of those examples that I was just giving, you know, get creative based upon your brand and your business, people will really take notice of that and heed to that and would gravitate you, and you would gain more exposure. So the second video platform to help you in your video marketing efforts as you gain more exposure is IGTV. So you know they introduced IGTV, it's about 2 years now, I think. So yeah, you know, Instagram TV. So everyone is already on Instagram, and we do Instagram posts, and then we do the stories, and now they have IGTV. So Instagram TV is very, very beneficial for your business, especially if you're heavily already established on Instagram, if you heavily post already, if you utilize your stories, if you utilize your posts, go ahead and utilize IGTV. And the great thing about IGTV is now you can formulate it into a post, so it can be on your platform as opposed to being behind the scenes like it used to do. You could definitely, stop people in their tracks while they're scrolling by having your Instagram TV. And I think Instagram TV is very good when you're just wanting to make like quick little tips or tutorials. If you want to do a FAQ, frequently asked questions, or if you want to do a tip of the day, outfit of the day, if you're doing like your creations with your t-shirt line or your boutiques, you can show them like your styles. It's just, guy, you just got to get creative, and just put yourself out there and don't be afraid to do so. I feel like Instagram TV is great, like I said, as an addition to Instagram already, or what we can already do with the platform, but it's just showing you, it's giving you more of yourself instead of having just a picture. And like the stories is like a behind the scenes, and I feel like Instagram TV is just like another connection, another tip that you can add is basically just you can get communication with your audience and your tribe and ask them questions. You can do like a 5-minute report or a 5-minute review. It's just so many things that you can do, and like I said, just get creative with. But Instagram TV is another great platform to use to gain business exposure with your video marketing. And the last one that I wanted to talk about, let's head over to Facebook. So Facebook Live is the last one that I wanted to talk about. I used to utilize Facebook heavily in the beginning, and Facebook Live was like, the next one, because it was definitely before Instagram TV. So Facebook Live is great because Facebook is all about community. So if you already have that community, if you have your set business page or you have your own Facebook group, go live, engage with your people, ask questions. Let them ask you questions. You just respond and engage. So Facebook Live is very, very, very beneficial for that engagement. So like I was saying, with your services or your products or your offers, let people ask you questions. Let you guys go back and forth. Let them see the real you. Let them, you can joke, laugh on all of these platforms. Let people see the real you. Let them see your voice. Let them see your facial expressions. It's all about that connection, that vibe, that personality. Let them know that you're just beyond the face of the brand. Let them know that you mess up too. You messing up your words. I mean, everything is not perfect, and that's the great thing about it, is because you can be yourself in videos. And I know a lot of people don't like videos. A lot of people are shy. They don't know what to say, but just be you. I promise. As long as you're yourself, everyone would get to relate to that. Everyone will relate to you just being you, and you saying, I'm not perfect, I'm human, which we all are. So I really think you should just jump out there and do it. Facebook Live, like I said, is definitely great for community. IGTV is great for like little tips and snippets. And YouTube is very great just for being out there as just showcasing your brand behind the scenes and day in the life, just really showing that aspect side of your business and your brand. So with that being said, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys got some value. Now, question of the day: which video platform do you currently use? And follow-up question: which video platform would you like to use and adopt into your brand or your business this year? Are you thinking about it? Let me know in the comments. But go ahead and just try videos. Start with your stories, however you want to do. Just get out there and go ahead and just take a try and let me know how it goes for you. But other than that, that is it, and I will see you guys next week on the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, as I post new videos every single week, every single Monday, and I will talk to you next week.